but it's no rush.
So many boys in here, where do I begin? I see this one, I'm about to go in. Then he said, I'm here with my friend. We got to thinking, and that's when he said,
Where them girls at? Girls at? Where them girls at? Girls at? Where them girls at? Girls at?
PB, schools, people Bryson. 2 years ago,